Hey everyone, and welcome back. For today's video we are going to be making our very own hair flower clips to accessorize our hairstyles. Let's get started with the video. So first things first, you're going to need a hot glue gun, some extra glue sticks. You're going to want to get some hair clips. I like to use these because they have little teeth in them and they can hold on to the hair better. Some bobby pins as well, because we're going to be doing two kinds of flower clips. Some felt, this is just what I had around the house already. And of course you're going to need some flowers. Now I got mine from Hobby Lobby and from some neighbors that were giving out some of their flowers, so I got lucky. And you're also going to need a pair of scissors. I like to pre-cut some of the felt so that I don't have to stop and cut every time I get a flower ready. I make maybe like half-inch sections, like little squares, and just have them on the side ready to go from where I'm ready to glue the clips onto the flower. Then you want to take your flower apart. You're going to pull it off the stem. Normally you want to get a flower that can come apart not completely, but since I had some of the stem on the flower itself, I had to cut it off to make it lay flat. Once I did that, I just hot glued that part back onto the flower. That way it was nice and secure, and I also rearranged the leaves to where I wanted them to be. Here you're going to grab your piece of felt and you are going to place it where you want the clip to be glued at. Then you want to grab your clip and add glue to the top part of your alligator clip, and you're going to glue that down on the felt. Once you've put the clip on the felt, let it cool off a little bit, but you are done with your first flower. For our second flower, you're going to start the same way. You're going to cut down the stem and you're going to glue the little green piece back onto the flower if it fell off, like it happened to me. Then you're going to grab a piece of felt that fits the back of your flower and you're going to put it through your bobby pin. Once you have done that, you're going to put some hot glue on to the back of the flower or onto the felt itself, whichever one is easier for you. And you're just going to press it down on the flower, and that is it. You have yourself a super easy bobby pin hair flower. A super easy DIY that anyone can do, and it takes literally minutes for you to have the cutest accessories for your hairstyles. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have an awesome week, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!